Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to email. This is incredibly useful when you want to receive instant notifications whenever someone submits a form or makes changes to your responses, keeping you updated in real time without having to constantly check your dashboard. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the Google account that has access to the forms you want to manage. This ensures you'll have the proper permissions to set up email notifications. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, you'll see all your recent forms displayed. Navigate to the Recent Forms section and click on the specific form you want to connect to your email. This opens up the form editor where you can manage all aspects of your form, including response tracking. Now look at the top toolbar of your form. You'll notice several tabs there. Click on the one labeled Responses. This tab shows you all the submissions your form has received. Once you're in the Responses section, click on View in Sheets. This action will open a Google Sheets spreadsheet containing all your form responses. The spreadsheet automatically updates whenever new responses come in, making it the perfect place to set up notifications. Give it a moment to load and redirect you to the spreadsheet. Once your spreadsheet is open, navigate to the upper right toolbar. Here, click on Tools from the menu options. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Notification Settings, then click Edit Notifications. This is where you'll configure how and when you want to be notified about activity on your form. A window titled Set Notification Rules will appear on your screen. This is where you customize your notification preferences. First, navigate to the section that says Notify Me. Here you'll see two options. You can choose any changes are made if you want to be notified about any modifications to the spreadsheet, or select a user submits a form if you only want notifications for new form submissions. Click the circle beside your preferred option. Next, still in the Notify Me section, you'll need to choose how you want to receive these notifications. You have two choices here. Select Email Daily Digest if you prefer receiving one summary email per day with all the updates bundled together, or choose Email Right Away if you want instant notifications the moment something happens. Click the circle beside your preferred notification timing. Once you've made both selections, click Save to finalize your notification settings. Your preferences are now active, and you'll start receiving email notifications according to the rules you just configured. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Google Form to email notifications, ensuring you stay informed about form activity without manually checking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.